Hello and welcome. My name is Stephen Staley, and I'm the Director of Banking and Strategic Alliances at Endeavour. And today, we're here to announce the launch of our new mobile account opening solution, MobileAO. And I'm honored to share the stage here today with one of our partners for this solution, Zoot Enterprises.
Hi, and I'm Tom Johnson with Zoot Enterprises. Zoot Enterprises is a provider of instant credit decisioning and account opening solutions. And we have Alex with us today who's going to be driving our demo. So as you guys know, customers want to interact with a bank through a mobile channel. And the bank really wants to be able to sell to those customers through that mobile channel. And the reason that doesn't really happen today is that mobile has been treated a little bit like, a periphery or an add-on solution to the core system at the bank, and that prevents it from really working seamlessly. So the solution that we've put together with Endeavour brings together Endeavour's incredible technology that you guys will see on the front end in the application process with Zoot's industrial strength processing on the back end, so we can do a complete solution from the front end all the way to the back end and actually issue credit. To put it shortly, Mobile AI is for banks that are serious about selling in the mobile channel.
And by mobile AI, you meant MobileAO.
Okay, MobileAO, sorry.
No worries. Thanks, Tom. Well said. Now, before we get into the demo, I want to talk about the several different use cases that can be applied for our solution. We built MobileAO to be extremely agile to satisfy several different implementation scenarios. For example, we can deploy MobileAO as a standalone enterprise application for your branch employees, for example, to onboard new customers or help your existing customers apply for new products. Or we can wrap up MobileAO and deploy it as a cross-sell widget or even an SDK that can be embedded within your existing mobile application. Now, this enables you to allow your customers to apply for your products using MobileAO without ever leaving your mobile environment. Now, for today's demo, we're going to toggle over to the iPad. We're going to watch Alex here use MobileAO as a consumer-facing native application as an existing customer who's applying for a new credit card. So far, so good? Okay. So since Alex is an existing customer, he just simply needs to log in using his quick and secure 4-digit PIN, which he created earlier as part of our dual-factor authentication and registration process. Now, if you want to know more about this feature, you have to stop by our booth later. Great. So as you can see, this is where the credit application process begins. Later on, we're going to show you how every single thing you see on the screen right now can be completely customized to meet your branding requirements. But first, let's jump into the first cool feature, the Fast Fill button. Now, this is where we partner with Jumio, who I think all of you saw earlier today. This enables your customers to fill out their personal information section by simply snapping a picture of their ID or flipping it over and scanning the barcode on the back. This is best-in-breed customer experience. And for you, not only do you increase your data quality and reduce abandonment, but now you can satisfy all of your fraud and compliance requirements. So now as Alex continues to fill out the rest of this application, I'm going to turn it back over to Tom, and he's going to explain to you that Zoot magic that happens in the back end. Tom?
Okay, so as Alex finishes the application, what he's going to do is he's going to submit that back into the Zoot engine on the back end. And the Zoot engine is actually going to go out and pull data from credit bureau reports, fraud reports, anything that the bank requires, run any business rules that need to be executed, run any analytics that need to be executed, and actually create a full offer that we'll bring back onto the screen. So as Alex finishes that, we'll have him submit this application and see if we can get him to be approved. One of the things you noticed there was it was very quick, generally 1 to 3 seconds for a response out of that engine. So doing all of that work doesn't take too long. And we come back with a full offer with customized card art, customized terms and conditions, specifically designed for Alex. Now Alex is going to read through those terms and conditions. He's going to accept that. He's going to do a digital signature, and that digital signature will be stored at Zoot, and then he's going to submit that. And when he does, it's going to go back to Zoot, and Zoot's going to do all the back-end processing necessary to actually issue a credit card. So what you'll see here is the card actually comes back. That account number that's on that card is actually a live number that can actually be used by Alex to charge goods and services while he waits the 3 to 5 days for that card to be sent to him.
Great. Thanks, Tom. Well done. Good job, Alex. Now that we've shown you the powerful simplicity of MobileAO, we want to spend a moment just to show you how flexible this solution can be. As you can see, we've already toggled over to the administrative web portal, which empowers your administrators to manage the entire application and customer experience on the fly. So Alex is going to go ahead and switch up the theme to kind of change the look and feel, but he can also flip through these other tabs. He can disable and enable certain fields. He can upload a new bank logo, or he can even add new custom questions to the end of the credit application. So he's going to go ahead and publish this, and then we're going to see those changes get applied to the iPad. Beautiful. So let's toggle over to the iPad and relaunch MobileAO. Boom. As you can see, we have a completely different look and feel. Now, this administrative web portal enables you to quickly and easily roll out new products, make changes to offer conditions of existing products, or even adapt to different regulatory requirements, all without redeploying the app to the App Store. It is this level of flexibility that makes MobileAO one of the most dynamic and pretty awesome mobile account opening solutions on the market today. Tom, take it home.
Sure. So what we've seen today is the ability to put together an incredible technology on the front end that creates amazing mobile applications that for customers to use, along with that industrial strength on the back end so we can bring back that full offer. So it's a complete solution. So when you want to go into that mobile arena, you want to take that full solution out there so you can really interact with your customers and really sell as well through that channel. So we invite you guys to stop by the booth and talk to us later, and thank you very much for the time.
Thank you.